to be making a cute little origami candy box. I love this project. It's really cute because you can give little gifts like little candies and stuff for holidays. So I'm going to be starting with a regular piece of origami paper, white on one side, yellow on the other. And I'm going to flip it over so that the white side is face down, or the pattern side is face down. I'm going to start by folding it in half, and you want to crease really, really well for this particular piece. So I folded it in half to make a rectangle. I'm going to open it again. I'm going to fold it the other direction to make a rectangle. We're going to open up our paper, and I'm going to fold all 4 corners to meet in the middle. And we want to crease this really, really, really well. So I'm creasing these super, super well. And they should line up pretty good. If they don't, if you're missing a little bit of the edges don't quite line up, I wouldn't be super worried about that at this point. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold the right side into the middle line here. So you can see I'm folding it into the middle. And I'm going to fold the opposite side into the middle. So I kind of rotate it around. And I'm going to crease it really, really well. Like that. I'm going to unfold it. I'm going to rotate it around. I'm going to do the same thing that I just did. So the sides that I did not fold into the middle are going to fold into the middle. At any point while you're working, you can definitely pause the video to match up with what you have, or to just make sure that you have a minute or two so that you don't get lost on this. So I have this right side went in, sort of matched on the left side. And again, the creasing on this is super, super important. So once I have something that looks like this, I'm going to unfold 2 sides. So actually I'm going to do it this way. So I unfolded the 2 of the sides like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you to make one side of the box. So if you did everything correct with your creasing, this will be a little bit easier to do. What I'm going to do is I want to create, this is going to be on the right side. This is going to be my side of my box. I'm lifting that up. I also have this side here is going to be my side of the box. So as I lift these up, you'll notice what's going to happen is this little side here, that little corner, that's going to want to tuck in. And it tucks in like this. So you can sort of see how that tucks in? And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side here. I'm going to bring this up. So you see these are the sides coming in. And see how this wants to tuck in here? So you can kind of tuck these in. Look how nice that looks. I think that looks pretty good. And then I'm going to press it down. So you have something that looks kind of like this. And you can go back in and sort of straighten your edges. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to bring up, this is going to be their side we're bringing up. And these outside pieces are going to go in like this. It's going to go down like this. And I did not have to use any glue, and I ended up with this really cute little box like that. And actually here's another one. So you could have these, you could put little candies in them. So it's a really cute little gift giving idea. And you could do this out of larger, prettier papers as well. So check out my other videos on how to make different things in origami. You can hit like on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to get notices when I have other content available. And I hope that you check back.